So guys, Samsung has unveiled this Samsung Galaxy M30 as at the price range of rupees 14,000, which is amazing, especially if you consider this is a Samsung phone and it makes sense to buy. But it has some cons too, which is I'm going to talk about in this video. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and these are the reasons why you should not consider to buy this smartphone. So let's begin. So guys, basically if you are looking to buy this smartphone and if you want to see what compromises that you have to make while you buy this phone, then watch this video till the end. So yeah, first of all, the biggest reason not to purchase this smartphone is the plastic body, but they had to cut the corner somewhere, and especially to make this phone lighter because it has 6000 mAh battery, they have put this plastic body in, which is not that bad, but I would love to have the glass body or aluminum body, but plastic body is good enough. But I don't like the plastic body, it is scratched very easily, and yeah, it is definitely very good, resistant to the drops and all, but still I would love to have the glass body or steel body, which gives the premium feel that it lacks. So yeah, overall the build quality and the design, it does not appeal to me that much. And then after that we have a pretty decent fingerprint scanner. I can say that it is not as fast as some other devices which I have reviewed in this price category. I would love to have a little bit faster fingerprint scanner, but it's a decent one. I mean, it's not like very slow, but it takes around a second to unlock, which is slow in my opinion. So if you are looking to buy this smartphone, please consider that too. And then after that, it does not offers any protection in the front. So yeah, no Gorilla Glass 5 or no Gorilla Glass basically. Then after that we have slow speakers. The speaker of this phone, the primary speaker, which is a single bottom firing speaker, is not that loud as I would love to have, but it's pretty average, I can say that. Then after that, the cameras of this phone, I mean, I have said that the cameras of this phone is pretty good, but it is above average, not the best, because in the same price range I am getting this Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro, which has very awesome camera, and Realme XT has also very awesome camera. So the cameras of this phone is pretty good, very above average, I can say that. The camera performance of this phone is just pretty amazing, but not the best one that I feel. And it does not offer any P2I or water resistant rating. It is a little bit peace of mind to have that P2I rating, that it is a little bit resistant to the water or the rainfall. So yeah, these are the cons of this smartphone, and if you don't mind them, you can definitely buy this. I will leave the link in the description box below. From that link you can purchase this smartphone. It's Amazon's affiliate link. So yeah, that's all in this video guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then hit that like button, share this video with your friends who are looking to buy this smartphone or any other smartphone in this price category. It will be very helpful for me and for them as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video guys. By the way, if you love my content, you can subscribe to this channel with that bell notification icon so you will be notified when I post new videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye.